How are you? Good evening. How are you? I am from Odisha, not Chhattisgarh. No, no. Chhattisgarh also one state. Odisha also one state, but both are neighbor state. Yeah, got it right now. And it's today holiday. Okay, then what did you do whole day? Oh, that is amazing, right? And do you means did you feel bored or is it your means happy day? What else? Mm-hmm. So many work. Okay, you did also office work at home, right? Did you do also office work? Right. Did you finish your tea, coffee? What you take it? Okay. Okay. Food only providing breakfast or snack? They don't provide? Mm-hmm. Okay. And what type of breakfast they provide? Mm-hmm. Is it a south part? It is south part means breakfast, right? Then idli and dosa, it is a famous in your state. These day, every state people they take it. It is a common, but dosa, idli come from south part, right? Of course, definitely, everyone they take it, right? You people do in little bit different idli and dosa. You people, I think so, apply in coconut, right? Okay, I think you told me which state? Yes, tell me. Okay, I think you are from Bihar, right? Huh? Okay, then I forgot. Let it go. I will try to recall. We talked each other. Is it our second time, right? Okay. Ah, right. You are working in South part, right? And what's your plan in evening? Do you go to take pardon? Okay, you take some. And dinner time? Okay, what type of dinner do you take in chapati or rice or what? What are you searching? Are you searching your bike? You every time means lost your any kind of means I mean to say key or something. Mhm. Okay. How many cell phone do you have? How many cell phone do you have? Hmm. Two desktop and one tablet and two cell phone. Okay. Then you are doing your office work in those gadgeted, right? Okay. Those gadget help you to work smoothly, right? Then definitely if you lose any tablet or any your laptop or any your phone, then you definitely will be worried about it, right? Yeah. Then how far do you want to go to outside means how long from your residence? Half an hour. Okay. Then after that, what time will you come back? Are you working in your hand? Okay. Hmm. Be careful to catch your mobile. Otherwise, जो पानी में जाएगा तो खत्म हो जाएगा. How? Oh, because you are working, right? Then you get salary. Then definitely you can purchase. I am no. When I will tell you I am a teacher. बिल्कुल 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 मैं नहीं बोली ऐसे, बिल्कुल नहीं बोली ऐसे. मैं तो किसी को भी नहीं बोलती हूँ. मैं तो टीचर नहीं हूँ तो कैसे बोलूंगी. बिल्कुल है जरा. आप किसी से बात किए होंगे. नो 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 नो, आप किसी से बात किए होंगे. आई नेवर एवर टेल एनीवन टू बी आई एम ए टीचर. आई नेवर टेल एनीवन. I told you I am unemployed, super duper unemployed. हाँ. No, no, I don't have any. I don't have any business. I'm a super duper unemployed. Super duper unemployed means कुछ नहीं. बेकार. See? Hmm. Right. I am searching job. Do you have any job on your hand? What type of job? Okay, what type of job do you have? Oh, really? Okay, but you give example. What type of job? I want to take six-figure salary per month. Or I want to be authority on that department, and that company or that department provide vehicle, office office जो जो vehicle होगा.